So I have a very exciting video today. I'm going to be unboxing the Azura Spring Fantasy collection. It's a new Popmart collection and it's absolutely beautiful. Now this background we're looking at is a bit weird, but it's okay because we're going to be looking at everything from a bird's eye view and I'm just going to be in the corner over here. Look at this box. So beautiful. This is one of the figures that is in the set. It's absolutely gorgeous. And here are the rest of the designs in the set. So how the boxes work is you get one of each design and then you have a 1 in 144 chance of getting the secret figure. So if you get the secret figure, you do not get one of these. I'm not really worried about the secret figure because I love all of these so much, but we might get it and that would be exciting. Unseal the box, open it up. Oh, they're so beautiful. So we have 12 of these blind boxes. They have the flower fairy on the front. They have all the figures on the side, some random information on the back, some more random information on the side, and then on the top is how we open it. I'm just going to slide this out of the way. Let's get our first 4 boxes ready to go. I have no idea which one's in which. I do have some favorites from the set, but I love them all. So this is going to be so much fun. Rip that off. Just going to put these ones over here to give us good space to open. If you've opened mystery boxes, but you probably know how this works. You've got a little blind bag with the figure and then you've got a card to show you which one it is. I'm going to go with cards first and then figures, or maybe I'll mix it up. I'll do some of both. Okay, so the card is showing us the Dew Fairy. These cards are so beautiful. They're like little pieces of art in themselves. Oh my gosh, I can put them up there. And then when I do more unboxing videos, we'll have like a whole collection. Oh my gosh, that's such a good idea. Already we're so in love with the Dew Fairy and I haven't even opened her. Opening the actual bag. Out she comes. Oh my goodness, look. Oh my god, look at all the different textures. The wings are transparent. They're a pretty blue color, but then when you like shine it in the light, it kind of goes a bit purple. Her legs are also transparent, as are her antlers. She has a little horn. Her hair is all shiny, and she's literally sitting on a lily pad. Actually, so adorable. Look at her. Oh, I love her. She's so peaceful. Oh, she has a little tail too. They really are little works of art, aren't they? I'm gonna build up the collection over here. And box number 2. Open that up. Let's do a figure first one. The card's staying in the box, so we don't know which figure we're gonna get. Oh my god, there's a purple one again! Another purple girl. She has this like protective bit over her mermaid tail. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Okay, so her hair is like kind of sparkly. It's like a nice ombre of like light blue to a purple. Oh, look at that sparkle. And then her tail is a similar quality to that other one where it's like this transparent stuff. Oh my goodness. This mermaid is lying on top of this star. Actually so gorgeous. She has a little axolotl on her head. She has this like pearl crown. The eyes on this one, so pretty. It's like pink and blue. She's got little wings coming out of her elbow and wings coming out of her tail. Got a lot of wings on this one. Or maybe they're fins because she is kind of a fish. Oh yeah, and we forgot to get out the card. This one is called Melting River. She does look like she's kind of melting into a river. Third box, here we go. We're gonna do card and we've got Germinating. You always have to check the box also because sometimes they have little pieces in the box. You see, sometimes these are just like sitting loose in the box, but this one was in the bag. She's very tall compared to these other two. Oh, look at her. She's like some kind of bug princess. I believe this will be her stand. Oh, look at that. The stand even has like little grooves for the toes. So looking at this lovely bug lady, she's got antennas. These gorgeous long sleeves, which like kind of look like wings, but I think they're sleeves. Or maybe they are wings. Either way, oops. They are gorgeous. And on the back, she has like a tail with a little heart. I don't know if these are meant to be wings or what those are, but there's 2 little green discs on the back. I love the colors. Oh, I just love her whole vibe. We are up to box number 4. Rip. I'll do figure first this time. Oh, this bag is a lot bigger. You see, this is the size of all the other bags, and this one is really big. We got the secret one! A 1 in 144 chance, and we got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you to the person who picked up my box for me. They had to go out the back. Bless your soul, the girl who picked me the box. I cannot believe it. People sell these for insane amounts. I have seen secret Pop Marts going for like $200. She's so shiny and shimmery and she's like a little centaur. There's a butterfly on her tail. Okay, let's get this bit of foam out because I don't think that's part of it. Actually, so gorgeous. How many times have I said gorgeous in this video? But look at these wings. Look at this hair. The little wings on the legs. It's just so magical. So this is the stand. Oops. Sorry, hon. This is the stand. She doesn't have like foot placement for the stand. She just kind of like sits in like that. Oh, the card's all sparkly too. Her name is just Spring. Okay, let's get the next 4 up. Now, given that we got the secret one, what that actually means is one of these other designs on the box I won't get. Anyway, I'm not too sad about this fact given we got the secret one. Box number 5. We know it won't be the secret one. Well, we know it won't be any of these 4 actually. Okay, we're going to do a card reveal. Oh my god, there's no card. There's no card. Oh no, there is a card. Catkin Fairy. Oh, she looks pretty. I've got a very regular size bag this time. Oh, a cloud. She is so cute. Oh, I love the gold theme. She's giving fearless. Fearless as in Taylor Swift. She's kind of giving me like circus vibes. I can't explain it, but she just looks like an acrobat or something. I absolutely love this little neck ruffle here. It says Azura on this badge. She's got these clear, they're kind of like opaque but kind of like clear, like you can see through them a little bit but not on the bracelets and the skirt, and same with these little space buns. Oh, and she's got a little cape. Or are these wings? Oh, they could be wings. Oh, what a gorgeous girl. Okay, box number 5. Oh, it's the purple bunny. Oh wait, it's not purple. It's called Coming to Earth. It's not actually a bunny, it's just a fairy with bunny ears sitting in an egg holding an egg. But why am I showing you the card when I could be showing you the actual figure? This is my first unboxing video, could you tell? I like how they have little air holes. It's like they're letting them breathe. Out she comes. Oh, she's all put together. I thought we'd have to put her together. Oh, look at her little smile. None of the other ones are smiling. That's so cute. She's so happy to be born. It only gets worse from here, honey. Oh my gosh, I love her dress. I wouldn't dress like that, except maybe in purple. I love, love, love these flowers. And they're kind of like pearls. Maybe they're not meant to be actual pearls, but they do have a very pearl look to them. She's got hearts on her eyes. Oh my gosh, the other ones have hearts on their eyes and I just haven't noticed. Okay, this one doesn't. This one also doesn't. No, the hearts are a special thing for this bunny. Oh, she's so full of love and life. What an inspiration. Her hair also has this really cool pattern on it. We've got some yellow, some blues, some pinks. Oh, the spots on the back of the egg are purple and the front of the egg. I didn't notice that. Also, I love these gold stars. That's kind of like a thing that both of these ones have. They kind of look like sisters, don't they? Okay, so we have opened 6 of 12. Half of the box. Ba-ba-da-ba. And the card. Are we going to do the card first? We'll do the figure first. We haven't done the figure first one for a while. I don't know why they have these. I don't know what they are. Okay, out she comes. Oh yes! I'm so glad I got this one. It's like a moss fairy. What's her actual name? Her name is Moss Fairy. Wow, that is a very accurately named figure. Her hair looks quite a bit darker than it does in the picture. This one is our first winking one. I love all these little flowers spread throughout. Oh. Once again, I can't tell if that's a cape or wings. I think it's probably wings. The flowers on the wings. Oh no, maybe it's actually a cape with this one. I can't tell, but I love it. I also love how she's got like moss growing up her feet and like little moss touches on the end of her hand. She's kind of like Elsa, but with moss. And she's got these like little braids in her hair. Okay, box number 8. What ones do we have left? Still have the snow one. Oh, I really hope I get the flower fairy one. I think that's my favorite. And the strawberry fairy. I think they're my 2 favorite ones and we haven't got them yet. Oh, and the spring rain. And white tiger fairy. And moss fairy. Oh wait, we just got moss fairy. I really want all the ones that I don't have. So I'm going to be buying something off eBay. It is. Oh, it's a flower fairy. Yes. Let's have a look at what she actually looks like. This is the most magical thing I've ever seen. Yeah, her paintbrush is separate. Oh, she has a little flower to stand on. Stop. Be free. I'm so speechless right now. So her hair is really, really shiny. Her wings have like this pinkish tint to them, but you can also see through them. Her hair looks like a flower. She has a hair bow. This paintbrush is so cute. Her dress is absolutely gorgeous. I want to wear it. The color scheme is just... I'm so happy I got this one. 4 left open. There are 5 we don't have. We don't have Spring Rain, Swallow Fairy, Boring Snow, Strawberry Fairy, or the White Tiger Guardian. I love all those 5. I want them all. Thawing Snow is probably like my least favorite just in comparison to the other 4. Okay, who is this? Shall we do it? We'll do this bit first. Oh, spoilers. Oh no, it's Dory. No, it was the one that I didn't want. Okay, look, I do want her, but just not as much as the other one. So that means that one of the 4 that I really want, I'm not gonna get. I thought I avoided this by buying the mugs. It's okay. I'm very happy I got the secret one. I just never expected to, so I wasn't even like hoping for it. Just kind of thrown my game plan a little bit. Oh, okay, this one is awesome. This is so awesome. I take it back. I'm sorry. I apologize. She's like melting. She's thawing snow. Oh yeah, we have this bit too. Is this some thawed snow? I do like this pink leaf on her head. Oh, and this little bow on her cape. Let's put it on her stand. This one has purple tinges to it too. I do love that. If I don't get the strawberry one, I'm gonna have a bit of a riot. Swallow Fairy. She looks like a magpie to me. Da-da. Oh, there's a lot of pieces in here. I like her. I like her a lot. She has the kind of sparkly, shiny hair too. Got bird wings, a little bird heart. Birds don't have hearts. What am I talking about? She has tiny little hearts in her eyes. She reminds me kind of like of a circus master. Why am I getting so many circus vibes from this set? Oh, I get it. I'm so dumb. I just realized this is like a branch because she's like a bird. Okay, last 2. Who are they gonna be? We'll do bigger first. Oh, I love this one. It's just painfully on my mind that the strawberry one is getting more and more unlikely. Oh my god, she stands on a clover! That is so cool! Her name is the White Tiger Guardian. She does look very tigery. Oh, she's so cool. I love her outfit. She has, I was gonna say she has a tiger tail, but that's 2 tails, and as far as I'm aware, tigers only have 1 tail. That is cool. That is so cool. I love her. I love her. So now we are up to the final box. It's either gonna be Spring Rain or Strawberry Fairy. Why? They're both so good. I don't want to accidentally see the card. We're going to do this the stressful way and open up this first. I'm going to feel it. Oh, I think it's strawberry. I think I can feel her heart. Yeah. I'm gonna go with strawberry. It is indeed strawberry! I did get the strawberry! I still really want Spring Rain though. I'll get her. I'll find her from someone. Oh my goodness. This one is beautiful. It's a little flower with petals to stand on. And then she has this like puppy strawberry thing to hold on to. Love the strawberry look. Oh, she has little freckles on her face too. That's so cute. I've only just noticed how cute their ears are. Do they all have ears that cute? Oh, some of them have round ears. Some of them have pointed ears. Oh, they do all have different ears. Well, I'm a big fan of this strawberry's ears. They're particularly cute. Oh yeah, the card. There is the Strawberry Fairy card. How gorgeous is that? Well, thank you for being part of this unboxing journey with me. I can't believe we got the secret one. I hope you enjoy the unboxing vibes. I love watching unboxing videos, so I was excited to make one. And that is it for today. I hope your evening is full of magical fairies. I hope if you unbox boxes that you get your secret one and you get Spring Rain. But yeah, bye!